Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how it's possible with my artificial intelligence project called Vector to help the work of the penetration tester, red teamer, generally the cybersecurity researcher, especially during complex operations. To demonstrate my work, my AI is actually running on my server room that is linked with my main workstation that is actually running, in which I cover the screens only to protect some specific features of my asset, especially one of these that is called Sonic, Security Operational Neural Intelligence Center, that is the core of my asset, of my AI, and allows performing any type of task that my project is capable to do. The target of this video is to demonstrate how the agentless solution installed on my second workstation allows to help my work, to improve my work, to speed up my work, especially in some phase of penetration testing. For example, the information gathering phase. The first step that I have to do is to use the connect command to start the connection with the Vector's agent. After, by using my wireless headphones that I'm putting now, I can interact with my AI. Okay, we are operative. I'm putting the headphones. Okay. Vector, are you operative?
Hello, sir. I'm completely operative. What do we have to do today?
Okay, I want to load a threat dashboard. Vector, load the threat dashboard, please.
Okay, sir.
Okay, perfect. This is one on the threat dashboard. Now I want to move this dashboard on the next screen. Vector, move the dashboard on the next screen.
Okay, sir.
Now we are here.
Operation completed. Dashboard moved to the next screen.
Thank you, Vector. Now I want to change this dashboard from an URL to another. Vector, go to the Talos Threat Intelligence dashboard, please.
Okay, sir. I'm opening the Talos Threat Intelligence page.
Oh. Now we are in another dashboard.